In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Gusto, the online payroll and HR solutions provider, known for its excellent satisfaction score. Whether you're new to Gusto or you've been using it for a while but have some queries that need answering, getting in touch with their support team is straightforward. Let's walk you through the steps to reach out to them efficiently. First up, you'll want to navigate to the Gusto website. It's your gateway to accessing a wide range of HR solutions that can help streamline your payroll, benefits, and other HR tasks. Once you've arrived at their homepage, look for the option to sign in. This is usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will lead you to the login page where you have different methods to access your account. One of the easiest and most secure ways to sign in is by using your Google account. Select the option for signing in with Google. This method is not only convenient but also adds an extra layer of security to your account access. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure to choose the one that's associated with your Gusto account. This is a common step but crucial to ensure you're accessing the correct account without any hassle. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be redirected back to the Gusto dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for all things related to your company's HR and payroll. From here, you're going to want to navigate to the Help section. The Help option is typically located in the dashboard's menu or at the bottom of the page. It's designed to offer assistance on a wide array of topics, but our focus today is getting in touch with actual support personnel. After clicking on Help, your next step is to select the Contact Use option. This is where you can reach out directly to the Gusto support team. Now, before shooting off your message, it's a good idea to briefly describe your concern or the question you have. This not only helps in getting your point across clearly, but also allows the Gusto team to understand your query better, ensuring a more precise and helpful response. Typing out your concern might seem like a small step, but it's significant for a few reasons. Firstly, it helps in categorizing your query, making it easier for the support team to direct your concern to the right department or personnel. Secondly, it reduces back and forth communication since you're providing details right off the bat. So, take a moment to type out what you need help with. Once you're satisfied with your message's clarity and detail, go ahead and hit the Get Help button. This action sends your query into the Gusto support queue, where it will be picked up by their customer service team. From here, all that's left is for you to wait for a response. Gusto is known for its customer service, so you can rest assured that your concern will be addressed promptly and efficiently. Reaching out to Gusto's customer support might initially seem like navigating a maze, but with these steps it should be a breeze. Remember, the key to a quick resolution is providing clear and detailed information about your issue. This way the support team can offer the most accurate and helpful advice or solution to your problem. In addition, always ensure that you're logging into your Gusto account securely. Using the Sign In with Google option not only simplifies the login process, but also enhances your account's security, leveraging Google's robust security features. Navigating Gusto's website and dashboard should become more intuitive over time. The platform is designed with user-friendliness in mind, making it easier for you to manage your HR and payroll tasks or reach out for help whenever needed. That's all there is to it. With these steps, contacting Gusto's support team will feel like a well-organized process, and you'll be able to get the assistance you need without unnecessary stress. Remember to describe your issue with as much detail as possible to ensure a swift and accurate response from their team. If you found these instructions helpful, or if you have further questions about using Gusto, feel free to drop a comment below.